Hi guys, it's Sharina of Sharina V Designs, and I am going to show you a technique that I use to get a lot of input from my subscribers and increase the overall engagement with my emails. Okay, so I use a poll in my emails, and the way that I use a poll is I use a combination of Canva and Convertkit. So let's head over to Convertkit. All right, so this is the most recent email that I sent. I sent this on Friday, and I decided that I was going to document through video my strategy that I'm using in order to increase sales in my Etsy shop. But I was not sure if I should just try to increase the sales in my already established principal shop, or if I should create a new shop. So I thought, what better way to do this than to just ask my customers? So while I do have a Facebook group, I felt like putting it, not everybody that's on my email list is actually in my Facebook group, and I do have a fairly good amount of people in my Facebook group, but it would have been a kind of limited poll, and I wanted to really do something like my Facebook group people are probably like the people who most regularly like sign up for a lot of things that I already do. Whereas my whole email, like some people just don't like Facebook groups, but they're also still really engaged. So I sent this on Friday, and it is currently Sunday, so I'm recording this. I waited until the end of the weekend in order to get my final tally. This went out to 1,048 recipients. So again, I don't have like the world's largest email list, but they are a very engaged email list. And they like to send me emails and replies. I ask a lot of questions in my emails. And so I like to share a lot of things about my life in them, and they, in kind, reply to me and tell me things about themselves and ask me questions. So, this video is actually in response to a couple of them replying, "How did you do that poll?" So, if you see here, I have a 40% open rate, which is really good. I think industry standards are around like um, anywhere from, I want to say like 15 to 25% you're doing good. So 40% is almost like a 50% open rate. And this is really, really good because if you notice, I don't say anything about it having a poll here in my email subject line. Um, I did, I believe, put it in kind of like the line that you see right after, where it's like, help me out with a poll. But this is probably one of the best. No, I generally have really good open rates, but yeah, so I really have good open rates. But this click rate here is 8.1%. This is amazing. And industry standards for click rate, if you're around a 3 to 5%, you're doing well. So to do 8.1 is amazing. And I had 38 subscribers click on my first Canva link, and I'll show you what that links out to. I have a freebie product bundle that I'm offering, and freebies always get a lot of clicks. But it's interesting because less people actually clicked on the freebie than voting, which is really good. And then this is my second vote, and only 18 subscribers clicked on it. So obviously they want whatever this option is here. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to show you the content of this email so that you could see exactly what it was that I asked them to vote on. So Um, so I just started by saying I'm super thankful. It's finally Friday. I send an email every Friday. And it just usually the emails on Fridays are some of the deals that are going on over the week. I like to give a freebie or some advice on Fridays to help people during the weekend. Because if they're like me, they're really working on their business a lot on the weekends, and so it stays fresh in their mind. So, um, I need your help making a quick decision. And then I bolded, can you vote for me? This is really important because people skim emails. And my emails tend to be pretty long because I am sharing a bunch of things in my emails. So I wanted to get to the point. If you're going to skip over everything, at least please vote on something. And then I bolded the actual question that I wanted them to consider. And I italicized the actual options so that they would know what it was that they were voting for. So again, I wanted to know if I'm gonna commit to time to making a weekly vlog about growing and increasing sales in a new or an existing Etsy shop. I just wanted to know which one that they would like to see. So, would they prefer to see growing a brand new Etsy shop from scratch, which I actually figured a lot of people would want because a lot of my customers are actually brand new Etsy shop owners or aspiring Etsy shop owners, and they do struggle with once you start the shop. It is actually really difficult to get your first sales, and you do have to do a lot of things, but the strategies that you would use are very similar to what you would do in an existing shop if you are not making consistent sales. So, growing a brand new shop or increasing sales in an existing shop on Etsy. So, my votes are new shop, please, or existing shop all the way. So, when you click that, ConvertKit records the click as you already saw, but it links out to this Canva page. New shop, thanks for voting. And this is the same thing. Existing shop, thanks for voting. Has my info, has my logo right here. Now, this is a very simple thing to set up. And all you have to do is insert the link into the text, the same as you would in Canva, in ConvertKit. And then if you are in Canva, what I did is I actually have a whole folder for the polls that I do. So all you do is I created an Instagram square post size. Like it's not even like a huge well-designed thing, right? So I just added in the text that it was for the vote along with the thank you for the vote. And I think I even used like a text combo that was already made. Yeah, I did. I used this one right here, just dragged and dropped it here. And I changed it so that it, and I put it in a color, right? So I'm using my branding colors. This is my teal brand color. And then all I did is I made a copy of this exact same file. Okay. And then I put the other option. So you want to have your clicks actually go to different pages. The way that you get the page though to share with Canva is you go right here to share and you click view only link. So this is the link that I copied and I inserted into my ConvertKit into my options. And I did two different ones or two different links because like I said, I need to be able to easily record um, which link people most prefer. Okay, so this is actually, I know this because I've actually been checking this all weekend. This actually links out to the new shop link. So if we click this, um, it goes through like all my confirmed subscribers and all of that. So I'm not going to scroll down too far, but I could just click the URL here and input it. And I see this is for the new shop. So 38 of my subscribers really, really want to see me create a brand new shop. And that is what I will do. So this quick poll that I put together has done a lot for me. It has increased my engagement to 8.1%. You want to do things like this periodically. One, it really helps you to get a pulse on what your customers want or need. And it also is really good for Convertkit because then they know that like you're not some spammy, sorry, sorry, you're not some spammy spammer and you're actually somebody that people are interacting with and you're not like a bad emailer, right? You want ConvertKit to know that you have engagement and that you're not just like calling out into the dark. I mean, it's not like they're gonna cancel your subscription or anything, but if people report you and things like that too much, then yeah, you do get in trouble with ConvertKit. But this way, it just helps you so much. So pay attention to your open rates, pay attention to your click-through rates, and try something like a poll to get more information from your customers. Um, that's all that I have for you. If you actually do use this, comment below and let me know how it goes for you. I would love to hear. Or you can come and join me in my Facebook group and come and share your win over there. Thanks. Bye.